Don't let them mislead you again about Bitcoin next move. And that's what we are going to discuss today, guys. So if you want to know exactly where is the Bitcoin is going to go, make sure to watch the video from the start till the end and don't try to skip nothing. So as you see, guys, that the daily candle here, it finished the Bitcoin in a second day in a row. Bitcoin is giving us here a new pin bar here in a very strong level. Forget about the past. Look at that level here. You see that pin bar, that means there is a huge pressure here. Try to push the Bitcoin again down. By the way, guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 100 likes, and know you can do it. So please pause the video now, smash the like button, write down a comment, tell us your thought about Bitcoin, what you thinking. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord and VIP Telegram, where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also today we enter a short in the Bitcoin. We are in the profit. It's not yet hitting for us the first take profit, but even you can benefit from those things, my friend, if you are interested, of course. The link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at Patreon link. You're going to land here in the master. Here it's left only 3 places. After that 3 places they will sold out. There is no more discount like that. Only $25 or $30 to join us. So act quickly before it's too late, my friend. When you land here, you click at join. Then inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps to be in our VIP Discord. And believe me, it's not hard steps, very simple steps. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, what I told you we got here a very stronger level, and we got here double pin bars here. And me, I'm still believing the Bitcoin there is more correction, because till now we couldn't break that 200 moving average here. So everything's still telling us we are falling down more than that. If you are a long-term investor, forget about all that, and if it fall down more, try to buy, because we just passed the halving and the Bitcoin is going to be smaller and smaller in the future. But if you are using leverage or you want to be in the safe side, if the Bitcoin came and breaking above here, you can enter along. But at this time, as me I show you before, people they been with me, they remember that head and shoulder we show you before here, that the head and shoulder here, exactly, guys, we break it here. It means also we're going to fall down more than that, and also we told you that in the last Friday. I think you get the idea, guys. Here another thing happened here in the daily. Is it that one here? Look at that 200 moving average here. You see it, guys, that the first pin bar, that the second one, and the 20 moving average is very close to break below in the 200 moving average. That means also we are technically in a downtrend. That how is it trading? But we need to wait to see what's going to happen, because at this time here we got a divergence, guys, but we need to wait to see what's going to happen in the coming days. We still below in the 200 and the 20, and that 20 it still reacted like a very stronger resistance. So we need to break it at least above here for us to know the market is going to reverse. I think picture is very clear, guys. Here now we're going to see Bitcoin sentiment plus Bitcoin ETF. So let's go in there to see it together. There we are, guys, that the Bitcoin sentiment here. In the Bitcoin sentiment also we still in a bull market, as you see it here. We show it to you before, but it's okay to repeat those things here. As you see it, guys, here the bulls they still more than 50%, and as you see them every day is getting bigger and bigger. By the way, if you just came, that green one here, it representing the bulls, and that one here which red, it representing the bears. The bears, they are very few people here. If we came here, we calculating here together, those ones they are bearish 15%, those ones they are very bearish 14%. 15 plus 14 is at 29%. If we came here, very bullish 20% and bullish 36%. 20 plus 36 is at 56%. So 29 versus 56%, a huge difference, guys. So people or the sentiment in the market, everyone is bullish. And me, as I told you, we need to wait till we see a price action in the chart telling us the market is going to reverse. At the right time for us to buy. Also, we're still waiting. I think picture is very clear. Now we're going to see Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow, so let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, at the Bitcoin ETF inflow and outflow. As you see yesterday, we used to be here. That's why we are told we need to wait till today. Yesterday it used to be only 600 Bitcoin being bought, and look at it today. All of them they buy, only our friend Grayscale they sold. All of them, look at it. IBIT they bought 382 Bitcoin. FBTC they bought 996. ARK Investment they bought 98 Bitcoin. BITB they bought 81 Bitcoin. Bitco they bought 163 Bitcoin. It's a very huge buying pressure, guys. As you see, I don't want to say all the names. And also we tell you that today, what happened today, till now, we don't got all the data, but till now, our friend Grayscale they sold 653 Bitcoin. ARK Investment they buy, BITB they buy, the rest we don't got all the data, but being the total Bitcoin being sold is 448, but also we're still waiting what's going to happen in the coming days. But the picture is very clear. Now let's going to see the coming news of today, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, that the coming news of today. As you see it, that the news we got today, we got PPI. That one, it's focused a little bit about CPI data, but it will not affect the market a lot. CPI data, it came today and it came very positive or promising. So now we need to wait until we fall down below the 2%. Over here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day here in that channel. Look at it. US market today, it fell down. Nasdaq, the SP, everything is close red today, because as I told you, when the inflation is going to fall down, the Fed is going to cut, and we're going to see the markets falling down. Even though I need to focus about it, guys. Down here, the VIX, Carnage and the Fair, it's still very low, 12.92. That's when there is nothing to be worried about. Everything's still looking very good. There is nothing to be worried about, guys. I think picture is very clear. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here the Bitcoin in 12 hours, he tried to break for us the 20 moving average, but very quickly it go back down. Let's see what's going to happen. And me, I tell it to you, and yesterday I told you like that, and same like how it happened here. So for us to enter a short, it's need that one to fall down to break down here, and for the long, it's need that one to come to break for us that 50 moving average for us to know the market is going to reverse from the downtrend to an uptrend. Yeah, now as we still in a downtrend, look at it, guys, and even the volume here in that level of 57,832, we got a huge volume there. The next volume we got is it here in the top at 62k. So also we still waiting what's going to happen here in the coming days. Yeah, no, there is nothing here telling us as we can enter along, guys. If we came and we do it like that the down channel or the downtrend was being talked about, yeah, now we just came, we touch it, and the market reverse. So it's need that one to come to break it here for us to know the market is going to reverse. So I think you get the idea. Now let's go in to see the Ethereum was doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Ethereum in 4 hours, guys. Here the Ethereum, same thing. Today it's breaking for us that double bottom here as we've been talking about. If you remember it here, it's getting broke. Maybe we're going to see the Ethereum going above to where I tell you to where. I told you to here, to the downtrend. We're going to touch it here. Then we're going to see what's going to happen here. If the market going to reverse, or from here we're going to break it and we go more higher, because as I told you before, I do like that, and I came down here to the one here, and I do like that, and I told you we got here a very clear triangle. It's need at least the Ethereum to break above here for us to know us we are going in a uptrend. Till now there is nothing, so as we still waiting. Yes, it's breaking for you the neckline of that double bottom here. That indicating one thing, guys. What is it? That one is going to go to touch here the top of that downtrend. Then after that we're going to see what's going to happen. So I think you get the idea. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, he tried to enter to the place where the bulls they controlling, but till now there is no power to keep it above here. People they still waiting the approval of that Ethereum ETF and the stuff, but tell now the good news, there is some power, it tried to push, but very quickly it go back inside here. Now let's see what's going to happen in the coming hours, if we're going to go more higher, or from here we're going to fall down. Plus we got here the 200 moving average in the Ethereum, guys, so even that one you need to be careful about that. So I think you get the idea. Now let's go in to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, same thing that the down channel also we've been talking about. As you see it here, we've been very close to touch the top of it, and me personally thinking it's going to touch the top of it. Then after that we're going to see it falling down. That's the first scenario. For the long, I've been talking about that one thousands of times. If we break in here, we're going to enter a long, guys, and I told you till the top here, exactly here of 72k. That's where it needs to be the target of us. If we break in here that level of 60k, but till now we still below here. Another thing I tell you, that one I told you here, that double bottom here, till now it doesn't break in for you the neckline, so there is nothing yet. And I show you even the one at I do it like that, and I told you the same thing like how it happened here. Maybe it's going to happen the same thing here in that level, exactly in that one, and we're going to see the market how it fall down here. It's going to fall down even here. I show you all those things. So us, what we need to do, we need to wait to see where is the Bitcoin is going to break. For the long, I show you. For the short, I show you, guys. So also we still waiting to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. For the long, that one. For the short, that one, guys. Remember that very, 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 very well. Because for the short, you got here a flag. I showed it to you in yesterday's video. I told you got here a flag. But you need Bitcoin to break down here for us to enter a short. For the long, it needs to be broken above here for us to go more long. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin, guys, in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, same thing. There is no power to break above here. That means there is no power. Market very, very, very flat, and very quickly it go back here to the middle. That means there is no power to push more higher. So also we still waiting what's going to happen. And even you, if you are long-term investor or swing trader, you need to wait, because till now there is no clear direction, my friend. No bulls got the powers and no bears who got the power. Oh, confirm that for me. Look at it here. If we came and we do it here, look at that middle here. In that level here, there is no one who got power. Bulls, it can very quickly go back inside. And down here, where's the bears, they controlling, they don't got power to push that one more down here to enter to the place where is the bears, they controlling. I think you get the idea. Now it's going to see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes, guys, for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there to see it. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, you got here. Look at it, the double top here. Very clear double top here. It's very, very close to break for you the neckline here. People there with me, also we got already a short here. I'm going to explain to you why we enter that short. So if the Bitcoin breaking down here, you need to enter that short, guys. You remember that you need to enter a short. Another thing you got here, look at it here. You see it? Look here and look here. You got a head and shoulder here, and it's very close to break for you the neckline. That man, we're going to see the Bitcoin falling down here to that 55k. What shall we do, guys, here? At this time, only short which is clear. For the long, we don't got nothing here clear. Unless if the Bitcoin gave us here a double bottom or something like that, we're going to enter a long, but at this time there is nothing. And also we're still waiting. People there with me also already, we got a short, and I think we are in profit now. How we enter that short, we came to that one here like that. You see it, guys? The break here, also we enter a short, because that one here, it's been a very stronger uptrend. As you see it here, it's getting broke here. We enter a short, but stop loss above here. The first take profit of us is down here. Is it 1-to-1 ratio? So also we still waiting the Bitcoin to fall down more than that. Wait for us the first take profit, unless if the market give us here a price action or something telling us market is going to reverse, we're going to close that short and we're going to close it in the profit, and we're going to enter another long, guys. I think picture is very, very clear clear, guys, here. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying here in the Bitcoin. Our indicator, guys, as you see, they try to enter here to oversold area. So technically, also we need to look into enter a long. Shall we enter a long? There is nothing here telling us the market is going to reverse. So also we still waiting a price action here, telling us also we need to enter a long, guys. So I think picture is very, very clear. So that's it for that video, guys. And please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You've done it. Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.